My colleague Sanjay Ponappa is now joining me from Bengaluru. Sanjay, for the RCB, this win has come after very early struggles. In fact, they did reach the finals way back in 2009, 2011 and even in 2016.
Yes, this has been a long delayed victory for the RCB. They took a lot of time, but when they arrived, they did arrive in style. They beat Punjab quite convincingly, although the run margin was pretty small. The victory was confirmed for the fans well before, so because of that, the celebrations also started well before. All of Bangalore was awake all night. Any road you take, it was filled with all the fans screaming and cheering. Absolute strangers to each other, but high fives were going around everywhere. This is because all of Bengaluru and all of Karnataka has been waiting for this victory for a long time now. There were, like you mentioned, there were a few instances where they just reached the line but couldn't cross it. But this time, Virat Kohli and boys ensured that they would be crossing this line and bringing the trophy home.
Right, Sanjay, if we speak about Virat Kohli, this moment was very, very personal for him. And the image that is etched in everyone's mind, Virat Kohli dropping on his knees and in tears after the 6-run victory over Punjab Kings.
Yes, the way Virat Kohli spoke after he won the trophy, after it was confirmed that RCB won the match, the whole press conferences, all the way he was interacting with AB de Villiers and Chris Gayle, his tears. It was not just him who was crying at that moment. It was all of Bengaluru, all of his fans throughout the country who could feel the emotions that he was going through, who also shared those emotions with him. Virat Kohli has been a pillar of Indian cricket for the longest time now. He has stayed with RCB for all the 18 years. Even though he could have gone to any other franchise, he would have been the biggest bet. It would have been the biggest buy if he had gone to the auction pool. But he chose to stay loyal to this one franchise for 18 years, irrespective of whether they were winning, whether they were losing, whether they reached the playoffs, whether they were eliminated well before. He chose to stay with the RCB, and it has finally paid off after 17 seasons in the 18th season, which is also his jersey number.
Sanjay, if you can also tell us what is expected in the city of Bengaluru today. We have, from what we can gather, there will be a lot of celebrations that will take place. And you also were mentioning the fact that the entire city of Bengaluru was awake the entire night last night.
Yes, ever since the match got over yesterday, all the people of Bengaluru, all the fans of RCB have been on the road. I must say that what was supposed to take half an hour for me to reach back from wherever I was covering back to the office and home, it took almost 2 hours for me to get through the traffic and the craziness that the fans were creating on the road and reach home. This is because everybody were on the streets expressing their frustration and happiness, the 18 years of pent-up frustration and the happiness that came with it when the team won the trophy. Today as well, most likely there will be a road show. The RCB team will be coming to Bengaluru and there will be a road show. Yet, although confirmations are yet to come, the officials and the government are yet to take a decision which could come as the day progresses.